Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable girl with bunny ears, holding two cute bunnies. Isn't she just precious? Let's start by drawing her face, body, and the bunny ears. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now it's time to color. Start with the girl's hair color, it's soft blonde. The bunny ears and the bunnies should be white with pink on the inside of their ears. Her clothes should be a light purple top with soft blue pants. Don't forget to add some soft pink to her cheeks. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep going. Look at that! The girl with her two bunnies is all finished, and she looks so cute. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawings. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable girl with bunny ears, painting a beautiful Easter egg. Isn't she just so cute? Let's start by drawing her face and body, along with her painting tools. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now for the fun part, coloring. Start with the girl's hair, color it brown with cute curls. Her bunny hat should be yellow, and her outfit can be a soft yellow with pink details. The Easter egg should be a nice blue with colorful flowers on it, and the paintbrush can have pink and blue colors. You're doing fantastic. Keep coloring. Look at that! Our little artist with the Easter egg is all finished, and she looks so sweet. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures.